Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. To find the equation of straight line, slope intercept form. Here the formula is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the intercept. Consider a straight line and draw the x-axis and y-axis. We have to find the equation of this straight line. We know that this is the angle theta. If theta is given, then we can find the slope using the formula m equal to tan theta. And this y distance is called y-intercept, that is taken as c. Now we can find the equation of this straight line using the formula y equal to mx plus c. Next, slope point form. Here the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here also m is the slope and x1 y1 is the point on the straight line. So from the angle theta we can find the slope m using the formula m equal to tan theta. And the point on the straight line, we take it as x1 y1, that point will be given. So if slope and point given, then we use this form, slope point form. Now let us see the problems. The equation of a straight line is 2 into x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Find its slope, inclination, intercept on the y-axis. So the given line is 2 into x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. This implies this 2 multiply inside 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. This minus 2y, take it another side, it will become plus 2y. So we can write like this, 2y equal to 2x plus 5. Divide by 2, we get y equal to x plus 5 by 2. This 2 cross multiply another side. So we get x plus 5 by 2. Then only we can have the form y equal to mx plus c. So comparing the formula y equal to mx plus c, here the value of m is 1 and the value of c is 5 by 2. Therefore slope m equal to 1 and the y-intercept c equal to 5 by 2. So there are three equations, find slope, inclination and intercept on y-axis. So we have got slope and y-intercept. We have to find inclination, that means angle theta. We know that m means tan theta. So this implies tan theta equal to 1. Tan of which angle is 1? Tan 45 degree. Therefore theta equal to 45 degree. Next question, find the equation of a line whose inclination is 30 degree and making an intercept minus 3 on the y-axis. So here angle given and the y-intercept is given, we have to find the equation of the line. If the angle is given, then we can find the slope using the formula m equal to tan theta. So here theta is 30 degree. So this is equal to tan 30 degree. That is equal to 1 by root 3. So now we have m value 1 by root 3 and c value minus 3. We use the formula slope intercept formula, that is y equal to mx plus c. Therefore y equal to m value 1 by root 3 into x, c value minus 3. Here in the denominator we have root 3. So to get the straight equation form, we multiply full equation by root 3. So multiply by root 3 full equation. So left side root 3y equal to right side, if we multiply by root 3, this root 3 cancelled, so we get x minus 3 into multiply root 3. And this root 3y, take it right side and write the equation x minus root 3y minus 3 root 3 equal to 0. This is the answer. Next problem, find the equation of a line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and having slope minus 5 by 7. Here slope and point given, so we use the formula slope point formula. Given the point x1 y1 equal to 3, minus 4 and the slope m equal to minus 5 by 7. So the equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Write the formula and substitute the values. Y minus y1 minus of minus plus 4 equal to m value minus 5 by 7 into x minus x1 is 3. This 7 cross multiply left side. We get 7y plus 7 4s are 28 equal to this minus 5 multiply inside the bracket, that is minus 5x minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15. Arrange all the terms left side. Minus 5x take left side plus 5x plus 7y. This 15 take left side minus 15. So 28 minus 15, 13 equal to 0. This is the answer. Similarly, next problem, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 4 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 2, 5 and 4, 7. So here one point is given, and for the slope we have to take the perpendicular slope of the line joining these 2 points. So given the point x1 y1 equal to 1, 4. Slope of the line joining 2, 5 and 4, 7 is subtract the y term divided by subtract x term. That is 7 minus 5 divided by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. We have to take the perpendicular slope. We know how to take the perpendicular slope. Take reciprocal and change the sign. So the perpendicular slope is reciprocal of 1 is 1. Change the sign minus. Therefore minus 1. Now we have the slope and we have the point also. So we use slope point formula, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute the values. Y minus y1 is 4 equal to m value minus 1 into x minus x1 1. This minus multiply inside minus x minus into minus plus 1. Now arrange all the terms left side. We get the answer x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This minus x take left side plus x plus y. This 1 left side minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0, and this is the answer. Thanks for watching.